Summer is my favorite season of the year. And look what I have here. I went to the farmer's market yesterday. I love going to this place and I've just been doing it lately. And look at how many things, wonderful things that you can find at your local farmer's market. It is very healthy, it is affordable, and you get the best nutrition. That's the best thing of all. Oh my goodness, I got my favorite thing in the whole world, which is chiles. You can find a variety of them if you like spicy. I even got ghost peppers. I have habanero, the tomatoes. Look at this gorgeous garlic. And the smell, oh my goodness. I told my husband yesterday, this is amazing. I did not know the grace tasted like this. I tasted one yesterday and I just was like surprised. I have never tasted in my life grape that was just picked the day before. And I have kale, and this one, cantaloupes. Oh my goodness. The lady was selling those cantaloupes, and I was going towards her, and I didn't realize she was selling cantaloupes. I just kept smelling this fruit aroma, and I was like, as I was getting closer and closer, and then I saw those big, huge melons, I thought, that's what it is. And as I got closer, it's just, they are so aromatic. It's just amazing. You need to try real food, real vegetables. And like my friend John says, you can even get, cured by this amazing products of any toxins that you have in your body or any sickness. If I must say that. Okay, so, let me tell you something else. The arugula. It's funny, I told my husband, you need to taste the arugula. It's crazy. At the store, I mean, most of these veggies that you find, you can get a little bit of the flavor, not the aroma. You don't get any of aroma, even if it's organic, that says it's organic at the stores. I don't know why. But when you buy something that's really fresh at your farmer's market, you can smell it, you can taste it 100%. I was eating some eggs with some tomatoes, and I put a little bit of arugula in these chiles. And just by tasting the arugula alone, I told my husband, it literally tastes like huevos rancheros to me. It's funny. I love it. I have some goat cheese and goat milk. Okay, let me tell you something. This is the most amazing thing. It's just pure nature candy to me, because we enjoy milk at home, right? But when you buy it at the store, you feel guilty that it might have all the, preservatives and sugar. But when I went and tasted this wonderful fresh out of the goat, basically that morning, it's just fantastic. It's like thousands of stars dancing in your mouth, and then the feeling of that you're getting all the nutrition that you need, that your body needs to get rid of any allergies or stomach problems that you might have. Oh my goodness, I don't know very much about it. I just can tell it feels good when you eat it. It just feels really good. And of course, as you know, I have 5 children, and they're very little, and we're trying to introduce really good things to their bodies so that they can that they might have the opportunity to develop a healthy style of life, and they might get less chances of getting sick in the future. And so I really, really recommend it. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.